Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change conversation tone in WhatsApp. Firstly, go on the three dots on your right upper side and then click on the second side settings. Right after that, what you need to do, just simply go to the notificational section or the third one, and then as you can see the conversation tones are on. And how to change it, simply when you go on the first side what it says notification tone, when you click on it, here with clicking on it you can go and choose an action from your file manager, for example, or from your music section. Now if I go on my music section, I need to choose a song, for example from this one, then I need to go for OK. And that's it guys. With this we have changed our conversation tone in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.